Environmental Studies and E-Waste Management Module. 3B ESK 508Q1. What is the main cause of environmental pollution? A. Natural disasters. B. Human activities. C. Wildlife. D. Renewable energy use. Answer B. Human activities. Q2. Which of the following is not a type of pollution? A. Air pollution. B. Soil pollution. C. Noise pollution. D. Light pollution. Answer D. Light pollution. Q3. Which of the following is a major source of water pollution? A. Wind energy. B. Industrial discharge. C. Solar panels. D. Wildlife activities. Answer B. Industrial discharge. Q4. Which of the following is an impact of water pollution? A. Improved biodiversity. B. Increased oxygen levels in water. C. Eutrophication and loss of aquatic life. D. More usable fresh water. Answer C. Eutrophication and loss of aquatic life. Q5. What is a key preventive measure for controlling water pollution? A. Dumping waste directly into rivers. B. Reducing industrial wastewater discharge. C. Increasing pesticide use. D. Over extraction of groundwater. Answer B. Reducing industrial wastewater discharge. Q6. Which of the following is a common source of noise pollution? A. Solar panels. B. Vehicles and traffic. C. Water filtration systems. D. Growing crops. Answer B. Vehicles and traffic. Q7. One of the health impacts of noise pollution is A. Respiratory diseases. B. Skin allergies. C. Hearing loss and stress. D. Improved concentration. Answer C. Hearing loss and stress. Q8. A preventive measure for noise pollution in urban areas includes A. Installing wind turbines. B. Using sound barriers and insulation. C. Increasing traffic. D. Expanding industrial zones near cities. Answer B. Using sound barriers and insulation. Q9. Which of the following is a major source of air pollution? A. Use of electric vehicles. B. Burning fossil fuels. C. Wind energy generation. D. Recycling waste. Answer B. Burning fossil fuels. Q10. The harmful impacts of air pollution on public health include A. Skin cancer and diabetes. B. Respiratory diseases and lung cancer. C. Malaria and typhoid. D. Improved immunity. Answer B. Respiratory diseases and lung cancer. Q11. A preventive measure to reduce air pollution includes A. Increasing deforestation. B. Switching to renewable energy sources. C. Using more coal-based power. D. Encouraging more vehicles on the road. Answer B. Switching to renewable energy sources. Q12. The Great Smog of London in 1952 was caused by A. Industrial smoke and coal burning. B. Volcanic eruption. C. Vehicle emissions. D. Forest fires. Answer A. Industrial smoke and coal burning. Q13. Which city is often referred to as having one of the worst air pollution problems in the world, partly due to traffic and industrial emissions? A. Tokyo. B. New Delhi. C. Paris. D. Berlin. Answer B. New Delhi. Q14. The Bhopal gas tragedy is an example of A. Water pollution. B. Soil contamination. C. Air pollution due to a chemical gas leak. D. Marine pollution. Answer C. Air pollution due to a chemical gas leak.